Hello friends, welcome to Head or Tail Education. Today our topic is what is the template function in C++. So first we learn very simple function because our heading is why need of template function in C++. Okay, so this is a very simple program. This program is related to swapping the variables value. So here I have created three functions. First name is mySwapCharacter. So this function is used to swapping the character value. Next one is mySwapInt. This function is used to swapping the integer value. Third is mySwapDouble. So this function is used to swapping the double value. So here I have created each three function for each data type. Okay, and here I have created the main function for using these functions. Okay, so this is very simple. You know already what is the concept of the swapping variable. Okay, so here the main start. So I am using the swap character, passing the parameter character. So call the function mySwapChar. Okay, rnd pass. Then I have called mySwapInt. So number is passed, and mySwapDouble. So double value is passed. So if you run this program, so each data type variables value swapping. Okay, so this is the simple function for this. Now next in C++, if we have a large code or very big code of program, so we have many functions related to different data type with the same work. Okay, so for this, avoid this remembering the each function name, we have given here same name of all functions here. So here you have seen mySwap only. This time passing the parameter, this is data type is character. Now again I have created function, but this time our data type is different, integer. Okay, and again I have created the function. This time again our data type is different, so double data type. So but in all case you have seen the function name is common, means same. So we no need to remember different function name for each data type. So this time we have remember only one function name, mySwap. So here this is the main function. Here I have passing mySwap, the value this time data type character. Okay, again I have called mySwap, this time data type is integer. Again I have called mySwap, so data type is double. So each time function name is same but data type is different. So compiler decide at runtime which type of data type is passing inside the function and which type of version we have to call the function. Okay, so if you run this, the output is same with the previous slide. Okay, so this is a very good feature in C++. Okay, so this features is called polymorphism. Okay, so easy to remember function name, we use polymorphism feature in C++. Next we comes again the template function. So first we understand how to create the template function. So template function using the keyword template. Okay, this is the first keyword for using to know the compiler. So this function is the type of template. Okay, and in angle bracket we pass one more keyword for generic type. Okay, so this is the type name, this is the generic keyword, and this is the type name variable t. Okay, so this time I have created again one function myswap and passing the type t data type variables, so tx and ty. Okay, now create the generic type variable z. So this is the swap function, the logic is same, but this time this function is the generic function for multiple data types. Okay, so here I have calling this function in main function. Okay, so this is the output for so template function. So in comment I have using so myself function for first time is calling character data type. Okay, now second time is calling integer data type, now third time is calling double data type. So this is very good feature of C++ by using the common code for template function. Okay, so if we check the output, what is the output? So output is same like in our previous slide. Okay, so this function is work commonly for multiple data types, so this is called template function. So what is the benefit of template function? First we understand the template function. So in C++, template is a powerful feature. Okay, so it allows you to write a generic code which can work with any data type. Okay, and the template is a keyword and type name is a generic data type keyword. Okay, and one more main key feature, reduce the code. Okay, means if you have seen in previous two slides, we have in first slide the how many lines in our code for one function, so 4 5 6 7 lines. Okay, so one functions we have 7 lines. So in these functions I have using three type of data types. Okay, so character, integer and double. So is multiplied by 7 is multiplied by 3, so number of lines we have to write for this 21 lines for it. Okay, in three functions. Now this time we have only the 4 lines, 2 brackets and one the function definition name. So we have here 7 line, but this the reducing code is work for all multiple data types. So this is the main benefit of template function. Okay, so demo for this. So this is the demo of template function. Okay, so this is very simple for this. So if we have the count the lines for this, so you have seen that this is our old code. Okay, so total number of lines like this means the end of here I am commenting all the code. So last line is 66 and initial start from 30. Okay, so number of lines, if we remove the main function code, so we start from 44. So total number of lines equal to 66 minus 44. So you have seen the almost 22 for this. Okay, so I reduce the code, the number of lines. Now this time if we have count the number of lines, so we have only 4 to 10 means 6 lines here. Okay, and number of lines for our full code here is 20. Okay, so this is the main benefit of template function. Now compile the code and run the program. So this is the output of this function. Okay, now after demo we have the summary, means tell summary of our topic. Okay, so finally we learned what is the template function. So in C++, template is a powerful feature. It allows you to write a generic code which can work with any data type. Template is a keyword and type name is a generic data type keyword. Okay, so main key feature is reducing code. In between, understand the concept of polymorphism. What is the difference with the simple function and write the polymorphism implement in function. Okay, also explain the program and learn how to implement polymorphism in C++ or CPP language. Okay, so C++ or CPP both are same language, just I use the name like CPP or C++. So thanks to watch Head or Tail Education.